Guys, so here I am, and I have a older friend, Miss Barbara, and Miss Barbara said that her teeth are sweet. Well, that's how I'm feeling right now. My teeth are sweet, and I want something sweet. So I thought, okay, here at the bottom I've got bananas. These are dates and these are mangoes. So what I'm going to do, you guys, oh, can I get this on here? Look, cause okay. Come on now, be good to me. Be good to me. Okay. So now, I didn't put any liquid in there. We're going to see how that works. We're going to blend this up. So let's try. Well, first, turn the power on. Okay, and single. Take it out, and then I'm going to shake it. I might have to put a little liquid in it. I didn't want to. Let's see if we can add a little liquid. Yeah, it's real froze. Okay, so 1 second. Okay, so let's try this again. Okay, I had to get the stuff that was stuck at the bottom down. So let's try it again. And I added water because I don't have any juice. I could have squeezed some oranges, but I didn't feel like doing all that. So we're using water. So here we go. Okay, so we got that. Okay, so next I am going to put our little mixture our banana mango date concoction. We're going to pour it in here. Now I could drink this, but I don't want to drink it. I want to feel like I'm eating something, so I want all of that out of there. There's a whole banana still. Whole piece of banana. I'm put that in there anyway. Okay. So here's our concoction. I'm going to put the top on it. And we're going to freeze it. And then hopefully we'll have something like a sorbet or something. I'll be back when it's ready. Okay, you guys, it has been over an hour. Let's see. I think I want it thicker. That's good, but it's been almost 2 hours. Let me taste it anyway. I'm going to put it back because I want this thicker. It's like ice cream. That's why I want it thicker. So, I'm gonna put the top back on and put it back in there for about another, I don't know, let's leave it for a while. Okay, you guys, listen. I about forgot about you guys. And I had already started eating. But this has like, I let it get to where it has a soft serve consistency. And baby, when I tell you this is good, this is good. I guess you could add some other flavors if you like. Just depends on what you like and what you have on hand. I thought about putting some apples and some pears in there. I thought, let's just stick with the mangoes and the bananas. But honey, you must try this. It may not look very cute, but baby, it is so good. I would not lie to you. If you have sweet teeth like I have, then you will be very happy. I'm not going to hold you. I'm going to close out right here, but you know what I love to say. I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, stay safe and blessed. Happy Daniel Fast.